Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add a video to Garageband because Garageband supports video, which is very useful. So what you do, you need to download the file first so you have the file on your computer. Then you go to File, Movie, and then Open Movie. And then find the file on your computer. So where you need to know where you saved it. You can also search for it. Here's my file, and you click open. And you see you get like a big picture. You can move that around, and you can also close it. All right? And you can see it at the very top of your project. You can see it, and if you click the little thumbnail here, it opens up so you can see it large again. All right? So that's it. The only thing you need to remember is if you remove the file from your hard drive, or if you move it from the location, it will also move from Garageband. Garageband won't be able to find it again. All right, good luck, guys.